Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to understand what is map scale and we are going to do few questions based on that for year 7 students. Let's get started. Map scale. What is map scale? A map is a scale drawing of the actual shape of a piece of land. What is the meaning of that? That means you have an actual shape and you want to draw it on a piece of paper. That means you have to take some measurements because you can't draw that full big ship. You have to draw a small ship. So that means you have to take some ratio of drawing that ship. That is the map scale is drawing the actual shape on a piece of land. The area of the land on the map is many times smaller than the actual area. Let's see that we have a scale here. This is your 1 centimeter. As you can see from here, this is the kilometers we have. 1 centimeter represents 2 kilometer. Here, the scale shows 1 centimeter to 2 kilometers. It means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 2 kilometers on the actual ground. The scale of a map is given in the form of 1:n or 1/n. This is the same thing. We usually write the ratio in the form of 1:n. It means that 1 unit length on the map represents n unit on the actual ground. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. This scale can be expressed as 1:500,000 or 1/500,000. The scale means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 500,000 centimeter on the actual ground. How did we get this answer from 5 kilometers? Let's do it here. We have the scale 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. Let's convert this 5 kilometers to centimeter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So first we will convert it into meters. That means we are going to write 1 centimeter is to 5 into 1000 meter. That will give you the answer as 5000 meter. This is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So I need to convert it into centimeters. That means I'm going from bigger unit to smaller unit. I need to multiply this with 100. Let's write down here 5000 multiplied by 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is to 500 and 000 centimeters. This is 500,000 centimeters. That's why we have the scale is 1 centimeter to 500,000 centimeters. They both are in centimeters. The scale 1:n can also be expressed as a representative factor which is written as RF of 1/n. Here numerator of the fraction is always 1. You have to be careful with that. Always the numerator, this is numerator, which should be always 1. If it is not 1, you have to make it 1 first and then solve the question. Let's see one example here. A map is drawn to a scale of 5 centimeter to 2 kilometers. The distance between two schools on the map is 8 centimeter. Find the scale of the map in the form 1:n. The actual distance in kilometer between the two schools. The distance in centimeter between two stadiums on the map if the actual distance between them is 6 kilometers. Let's do this question step by step. The scale of the map in the form of 1:n. I need to write down this ratio. You need to remember one more thing here. This ratio is always centimeter. First, we will convert this kilometers into meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I am going from bigger unit to smaller unit. So I need to multiply that with 1000. Let's multiply this here. 5 centimeter is to 2 multiplied by 1000 meters. If I write down here, 5 centimeter is equal to 2000 meters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I am going from bigger unit to smaller unit. So I need to multiply that with 100. 5 centimeter is to 2000 multiplied by 100 centimeter. 5 centimeter is to 2,1,2,3,4,5,0. So this is 200,000 centimeters. I need to calculate for 1 centimeter. How do you reach from 5 to 1? Which operation we are going to do? We are going to do divided by 5. Then I am going to reach to 1. The same operation I have to do it on right hand side also divided by 5. So 200,000 divided by 5. If I cancel this out, 5 fours are 20 and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1 centimeter is to 40,000 centimeter. This is our scale. Next, we need to see that the actual distance in kilometers between the two schools. The distance between the two schools on the map is 8 centimeter. What the scale we have? We have 1 centimeter is equal to 40,000 centimeter. I need to calculate the actual distance when the distance on the map is 8 centimeter. Let's write down here. The scale on the map is 1 centimeter is to 40,000 centimeter. This is our answer. We have map over actuals. So map 1 centimeter is equal to 40,000 centimeter. This is the scale we have. I need to convert 8 centimeter into actual distance. But if I use this, I'll get my answer in centimeter. First, convert this centimeter into kilometers again. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit. Centimeter to meter, I have to change it. That means I need to divide it with 100. Let's do it here. 1 centimeter is to 40,000 over 100 meter. 2 zeros got cancelled with 2 zeros. Your answer will be equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 400 meters. I know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit kilometers. So that means I need to divide it with 1000. Let's divide it again here. 1 centimeter is to 400 divided by 1000 kilometer. 2 zeros got cancelled from here and your answer will be 1 centimeter is to 4 over 10 kilometer. I need to write down 4 over 10 in the decimal form. As I have only 1 zero in the denominator, I have to put decimal after 1 digit. We have 4 in the numerator. So 1 centimeter is to 4. I have to put decimal after 1 digit. That means this is my first digit and after that I have to put 1 decimal. Let's write down here. My decimal will be here and before that you have to put 0. This is 0.4 kilometer. This is my scale. I need to find out the answer for 8 centimeter. How you are going from 1 to 8? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 8, right? So the same operation I have to do it here on the right hand side also, multiplied by 8. Let's write down here 0.4 multiplied by 8. If you move this decimal 1 on the right side, that is the meaning is you are writing 10 in the denominator. 4 times 8. Your ratio will be 4 times 8 divided by 10. 4 times 8 is 32 over 10. Again, I have to put the decimal after 1 digit because I have 1 0 in the denominator. We have 32 in the numerator. After 1 digit means this is my first digit. I have to put point here. Let's put 3.2 kilometer is my answer. The actual distance between the two schools is 3.2 kilometers. That is my answer. Let's see the second part here. If the actual distance between them is 6 kilometers, I need to calculate the distance between the two stadiums on the map. What is the actual distance I have? I have 0.4 kilometer which I figured it out earlier and on the map it was 1 centimeter. I need to calculate the answer for 6 kilometers. As I told you earlier, the actual map should be in the form of 1:n. That means numerator should be 1. Here the numerator is 0.4. I need to first convert it into 1. Let's find out the answer for 1 kilometer first. How you are going to reach from 0.4 to 1? Which operation you are going to do? Divided by 0.4. The same operation I have to do it here on the right hand side also, divided by 0.4. This will be written as 1 over 0.4 centimeter. I need to find out the answer for 6 kilometers. How you are going from 1 to 6? Which operation you are going to do? You are going to do multiplied by 6. The same operation I have to do it here also, multiplied by 6. 1 over 0.4 multiplied by 6. I need to find out the answer for that. If you move this decimal 1 right, the meaning is that you are writing 10 in the numerator. This will be written as 60 over 4. I need to divide it. Let's divide this here. 60 divided by 4. Here the first digit is 6 which is greater than 4. That means it is easily divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. Let's write down 1 here and 4 here. If you subtract it, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 0 will come down and this will be 20 here. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's write down 5 here and this will be 20 and subtract it. Your answer will be 0. This will be equal to 15 centimeter. The distance between the two stadiums on the map is 15 centimeter. This will be your answer. Let's see the second question here. The scale of map A is 1:20,000. The distance between two villages on map A is 12.5 centimeter. Find the distance in centimeter between the two villages on map B whose scale is 1:50,000. A river is 8 centimeter long on map B. Find its length in centimeter on map A. We need to first find out the actual distance between the two villages. This is the distance between the two villages on the map A, which is 12.5 centimeter. I need to convert this on map A on the actual distance. The ratio is 1:20,000 centimeter. Map A to actual is 1 centimeter is to 20,000 centimeter. I need to find out the distance, so I need to convert this into kilometers. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit, meters, so I need to divide it with 100. Let's divide it here. 1 centimeter is to 20,000 divided by 100 meter. Two zeros will got cancelled from here. 1 centimeter is to 200 meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit. I need to divide it with 1000. Let's divide it here. 1 centimeter is to 200 over 1000 kilometer. Two zeros got cancelled from here. That will be equal to 1 centimeter is to 2 over 10 kilometer. I need to put the decimal after one digit because I have 1 zeros in the denominator. This is my first digit. So after first digit, I have to put the decimal. Let's write down here 1 centimeter is to 2 and this is decimal here and 0.2 kilometer. This is my scale for 1 centimeter to 0.2 kilometers. I need to convert for 12.5 centimeter. Let's write down here 12.5 centimeter. How do you reach from 1 to 12.5? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 12.5. The same operation I have to do it here on the right hand side also. 12.5, which I need to multiply that. 0.2 multiplied by 12.5. I have to multiply that. How we are going to do that? If we are going to move one decimal to the right, that means 10 is coming in the denominator. If I move point on right, that means the 10 is coming in the denominator. My answer will be 2 times of 125 over 100. How we are going to multiply that? There are two ways to do that. First method is 125 multiplied by 2. You do it. 5 times 2 is 10, which is 0. 1 carry over. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 ones are 2. The answer is 250. The another method is you split 125 into 100 plus 20 plus 5 over 100. This will be written as 2 times of 100 plus 2 times of 20 plus 2 times of 5 over 100. That will be equal to 200 plus 40 plus 10 over 100. 200 plus 40 is 240 plus 10 is 250. So the answer is 250 by 100. 1 0 will got cancelled from here. 25 by 10. I have to put decimal after one place. So that means after 5 I have to put the decimal. This will be written as 2.5 kilometers. The actual distance between the two villages is 2.5 kilometers. Let's write down the answer here, 2.5 kilometers. I need to calculate the distance on the map B where the ratio is given by 1:50,000 centimeter. I need to first convert this again into kilometers. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit. I need to divide it with 100. Let's write down here. 1 centimeter is to 50,000 over 100. Two zeros will got cancelled from here. Your answer will be in meters. 1 centimeter is to 500 meters. We have 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. I'm going from smaller unit to bigger unit. I need to divide it with 1000. Let's divide it here. 1 centimeter is to 500 over 1000 kilometers. Two zeros will got cancelled from here. That will be 1 centimeter is to 5 over 10 kilometers. I have to put decimal after first digit. So that means after 5 I have to put the decimal here. This will be written as 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometers. This is my scale. I need to convert it 2.5 kilometers on the map B. This is from map to the actuals. I have to find out the actual distance on the map. That means I need to write down this in the reverse order. So the actual is 0.5 kilometers is to the map B is 1 centimeter. I need to make this ratio as 1. As I told you earlier, you have to make the denominator 1. First, I will write down the answer as 1 here. 1 kilometer will be written as, how do you reach from 0.5 to 1? Which operation you are going to do? Divided by 0.5. The same operation we are going to do here, 0.5. So 1 divided by 0.5. This will be in centimeter. If I move this decimal to the right, that means I am multiplying 10 in the numerator. 1 kilometer is written as 10 over 5 centimeter, which will be equal to 2 centimeter. 1 kilometer is to 2 centimeter. I need to convert 2.5 kilometers. How you are going to reach from 1 to 2.5? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 2.5. The same operation I have to do it here on right hand side, multiplied by 2.5. 2 multiplied by 2.5. Move this decimal to the one right, that means you are writing 10 in the denominator. It will be 25 into 2. 25 into 2 is 50 over 10. 0 will got cancelled from here and your answer is 5 centimeter. The distance between the two villages on the map B is 5 centimeter. That is your answer. Let's see the next part here. We have to find out the actual length of the river. A river is 8 centimeter long on map B. What was the scale on map B we had? We had 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometers. I need to convert it for 8 centimeters. Let's write down here 8 centimeter. How you are going to reach from 1 to 8? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 8. The same operation I have to do it here, multiplied by 8. Let's write down here 0.5 multiplied by 8 kilometers. This will be written as, if you move this decimal 1 to the right, that means you are writing 10 in the denominator. 5 times 8 is 40. This will be 40 over 10. 0 will got cancelled from here and your answer is 4 kilometers. The actual length of the river is 4 kilometers. I need to find out the answer for the length of the river on map A. What is the actual length of the river is 4 kilometers. I need to convert this on the map A. So the actual is 0.2 kilometers is to map A is 1 centimeter. I have to convert it for 4 kilometers. First, I need to make this 0.2 to 1 because the numerator should be always 1. 1 kilometer will be written as, how do you reach from 0.2 to 1? Divided by 0.2. The same operation you have to do it here also, divided by 0.2. Let's write down here 1 divided by 0.2 centimeter. Move this decimal 1 to the right, that means you are multiplying this with 10. 1 kilometer will be written as 10 over 2 centimeter. 1 kilometer is to 5 centimeter. If you cancel this out, this will be 5. I have to solve it for 4 kilometers. How we are going to reach from 1 to 4? Multiplied by 4. This will be same as multiplied by 4 on the right hand side. 5 times 4. Your ratio is 20 centimeter. This shows you that the length of the river on the map A is 20 centimeter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.